See, you can see where the land started. So this is the environment where the land is, the farm is. So you can see it. It's up to 1 acre and 1 acre, yeah, up to 10 plots inside. Understand? This is Owerri Imo State, Umuagwo. It's Owerri Imo State, Umuagwo. So this is the farm. It's a very big farm. Yes, you can see the inside. I would have gone live, but the net environment, no, there's no much network on it. So this is the land. So you can see the houses, the farm, the animal houses inside. So the man have worked everything. Okay, let me take the pictures once. So I should take the pictures. I forgot to take the inside, but I can't go inside alone because there is dog inside. So now I the shock dog, I the fear dog. Hey, Nigeria.